So we finish with this Siman number 4, and we start the Siman number 5. And the subject of the Siman, laws pertaining to the required state of cleanliness, and for a place which one engages in sacred matters, contained 17 CFM. So basically, if you want to pray or you want to learn, so this place must be according to the following laws. Okay. Number 1, safe number 1. It is written Dvarim 23:15, 14 to 15. When you sit outside, there is to relieve yourself. You shall dig and you shall cover your excrement. For HaShem your God walks in the midst of your camp, etc. And you shall so your camp shall be holy, so that he will not see the shameful thing among you and turn away. Okay, so let's read commentary and we're going to explain what it says. These verses conclude the laws pertaining to the state of cleanliness, both physical and spiritual, that the Jewish camp must maintain when waged in a war on the enemies. So even in a state of a war, when they camping in a field and stuff like that, so that does not mean that a Jew can behave like an animal, like all of the other non-Jews, right? So it says in Torah clearly you have to have like a small shovel or whatever on your belt, or somebody translated as a peg to dig a hole. You have to go, like we were talking about number 2. He have to go and he has to cover, so other people would not step into it. So it's that's the law. It's not a good thing to do. It's a law. Okay.
So don't just leave it laying there.
Exactly. I mean, if like somebody would go like overnight camping somewhere,
right,
upstate. So that's what you do. That's what you do. And okay, continue. The stages of the blessed memory. So first of all, it's disgusting, right? And second of all, is because as it says clearly, so HaShem is walking around. He's in your camp. The stages of blessed memory derive from these verses that in any place that HaShem, our God, walks in our midst, that is when we are engaged in sacred matters, such as reciting the Shema prayers, Shema, praying, studying Torah, and the like, the camp, right? There is a once immediate area where he's engaged in this matter must be holy. So we're going to define the camp, right? What does camp means? Camp, right? And okay, must be holy. Commentary. Say okay. See there the exact parameters of the law set out below in CF8. Okay. So here basically they say they give us only summary. Okay. There should not be any exposed excrement there. Okay. Or anything that emits foul odor. So basically, all of the smell, the sense of smell is very important in Judaism, right? So, for example, so when it does not smell good, for whatever is it, right? So if this odor is offensive to you, for example, I don't know, like paint, right? So somebody painted the wall, right? So but it's like I don't know, like some stinking paint. So you would not be allowed to pray there, even for other people. So for example, I like the smell of fresh paint, but other people will find it offensive for whatever reason, right? So I would be allowed to because it's like it's neutral. It's not like something is decaying, right? It's not left. So if you find this odor offensive, that's it. You cannot pray there. And there should not be any shameful thing visible facing a person who is reciting Shema or praying. So commentary, for example, nakedness, erva. So we're going to discuss what erva means below. So it's not only nakedness, So we're going to discuss and say that the definition of nakedness is different between men and women. Okay. So it should not be exposed. Just to summarize what we said, it should not be visible, and you should not face nakedness. So, and it's this very important summary we're going to discuss in these chapters. Okay.